If you do not have a pressure washer, this spray bottle is the perfect solution. Let me tell you why. The brass adapters that come with this mean it's long lasting with a great even layer of snow foam that will come out. Let me show you how easy it is to apply. First of all, you're getting a great coating of snow foam applied on. Not only this, but you're able to cover at least half of your car without the need to reapply pressure to the bottle. This is the perfect solution to those that do not have a pressure washer. If you want to grab yourself a Hydro spray bottle, click the link on this video and get yours today.